Well, hello there, students. Today we're going to start a new unit on learning about things that people make with their own hands and things that are made by nature. For example, look at this. Look at the frost on the trees. Look at the beautiful blue sky. What do you think? Who made that? Is that human made or is it nature made? Okay, in this unit we are going to be observing things that are made by nature and things that are made by humans, like these buildings. You see those buildings over there, guys? Those buildings are made. Oh, can you hear the snow as I walk on the ground here? Look, there are things that are made by humans, like buildings, cars, fences, right? How about trees? Trees are made by nature. Also in this unit, we are going to learn how to sort things and objects and materials that are natural or humans made. Okay, this is your new science unit on how to learn to see what has been made by nature and what has been made by humans. Human made things, nature made things or objects or materials. This is a new unit in science. Okay.